Today, we are going to demonstrate how to restore deleted content on our space. Here we are on Penguin Club, the Member.buzz demo space. As you can see, I am already logged in with my account, which is a space organizer. To get started, I will navigate to my space dashboard, which is where I can manage this space. This is the event dashboard, which is used to manage events on this space. These events are currently visible on my space, which I can confirm by clicking on the navigate button. Back on the dashboard, if I want to delete an event, I can click on the delete button. On MemberBuzz, content can easily be restored by navigating to the corresponding settings dialog. I can then click on the restore button to restore the event to the dashboard. A variety of content can be restored to your space. For instance, if you accidentally delete an event ticket, you can store it in the same way. And there we go. For more information on how to use MemberBuzz, check out our other videos or visit our support guides at support.member.buzz.